Got another one for you. Nothing to see here, just another little deer video. It's a little rainy out here. I fed them some apples. Nice rainy day today. It's not too cold. Feels good. It's just rainy. Hey, buddy. Hey there. Hey there, mister. Oh, God. They're coming out the woods.